Hey, boys and girls, welcome back to an edition of Mr. Irish Television. All right, we are doing our study guide for the coordinate plane. Okay, so I just made a X and Y axis. This is the X, this is the Y. And I have a bunch of points I just plotted randomly. And so now I'm going to put the coordinates for A, B, C, and D. Okay, let's see if I can do it. All right, so A, you always go X before Y. So X is first, Y is second. So we go left to right first and then up and down. So that's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. So this is at 5 on the X, 5 over, 3 up. There we go. All right, let's try B. Where's B? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I go -5. I go 5 to the left, and then I go 4 up. So -5, 4. There we go. Okay, C. All right, I go 0 up and down. Sorry, 0 left and right, and I do go up and down. So I just go down 1, 2, 3. So it's 0 left or right, and then down 3 on the y-axis. X first, then Y. There we go. All right, next one. So this, left and right first. 1, x-axis. 1, 2, 3, down 1. So -3, -1. There we go. Left 3, down 1. Got it. Cool. All right, so now, let's see if we can plot some points right here. So on your coordinate plane, you should be having a coordinate plane, just like this. All this should be written down on a piece of graph paper in your study guide or somewhere else, some graph paper. All this should be written. Okay, so plot 0, 5. 0, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bam. That's 0, 5. -1, 2. Remember, we always go X, then Y. We go left and right first. So -1, 1, 2. Nice. So -1, 2. Last one, 6 and -3. Remember, we go left and right first. So I'm going to go right 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then down 3. 1, 2, 3. Right here at this point is 6, -3. There we go. Nice job. Okay, so that's plotting points. We got that. What else do we need to know? Oh, the domain and range. Okay, copy this down. Okay, so domain and range. So I made up some coordinate points for a relation. So the domain is what? Yeah, that's all the x values, all the possible x values. Let's see what we got. 3, 6, -5, 7. Boom. Okay. Now we got the range. Awesome. Range is all the y values. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's going to be 5, 2, 4, -2. There we go. So domain, all the x values, range, all the y values. Nice. Okay. But that's pretty easy, but it's not always as straightforward as it seems. So let's try this domain and range. So draw a coordinate plane and plot these points right now. Go. All right, what are we going to do? We're going to find the domain and range. So we need to find the points first. So just like here where I had the points, it was really easy to determine the domain and range. So I'm going to do the same thing right here. So this point here, 1, 2, 3, is -3, 0. This point is -2, 2. Cross them out as we go. This point is 0, 3. This point is 2, 2. What's this point here? Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 1. 4, -1. So now that I have my relation in coordinate points, it's easier to tell what the domain and range is. So let's do it. You have to practice ones like these because you know that there might be one like this on the test, but there's also going to be challenging ones. You got to practice the challenging ones too. Don't shy away from those because if you practice the challenging ones, you're going to get a good grade on the test because you're going to be ready. So domain and range. Domain is all the x values here. So that would be -3, -2, 0, 2, and 4. All these right here. The range is the y values, okay? So that'd be 0, 2, 3, 2, -1. But I don't have to have 2 2s, so I can erase one of the 2s if I want. There we go. Got it. So I practiced both. I may want to practice another one of these if I still don't feel that good because I know I have some in my notes. I can copy and do in my notes again just to practice, make sure I'm good. Make sure I'm good at applying the points, etc. Good. All right, last thing. What else do we have to study? Oh, distance. Okay. So we got distance right here. Write this down. Find the distance of. Okay. So I have 3 problems right here, and I have, a coordinate plane. These 3 problems I got from my notes. So I got 5, -6, and 3, -6. So let's plot those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's 5, -6, like that. And then 3, -6. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3, -6, like there. What's the distance? 1, 2. 1, 2. Distance is 2. So this distance is 2 units. Right there, 2 units. All right, try this one. What's the distance? Ready, set, go. Hopefully plotted it. Let's see. So -3, -2. Boom. And 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, -2. So -3, -2. 4, -2. All right, distance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There we go. This distance is 7 spaces. Hopefully you got it. Sorry, 7 units. There's a more formal term, 7 units. Got it. Okay, last one. 0, 6, and 0, -2. Go. All right, 0, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Bam. That's 0, 6. 0, -2. I'm not going left to right. I'm just going down. 2 right here. So now count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do this with me. 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spaces. 8 units. There we go. You want to practice some more of those. But I'm feeling like I'm okay. I need to practice maybe a few more. So find some in your notes and continue practicing. Nice job, everybody. Keep it up.